Hi, I'm Andrew, the property advisor. Thanks for watching. We're going to talk about a really important issue today. That is the appraisal. So who pays for the appraisal? The appraisal is paid for by you. Your lender's going to let you know how much it is. They're going to order the appraisal. You're going to pay by credit card. Who does the appraisal? Well, a licensed appraiser. Okay, these are pretty clever people. And they get assigned by an appraisal management company. This is big security for you. It's part of the mortgage reform laws. It used to be the seller could call their uncle who was an appraiser and get a really high appraisal. That's not allowed anymore. It's all arm's distance stuff. So the lender that you choose will contact the appraisal management center. That appraisal management company will then send out the appraiser. Now, who benefits from the appraisal? This is a really good question. There's actually several parties that do. The most important are, first of all, you. Because the lender is establishing, is that home worth what you agreed to pay for it in your purchase contract? Sometimes there's unscrupulous people. Sometimes there's people who get you to pay too much for their home. So be really careful with that, because the appraisal needs to come in at value, that is, at the value of the contract, for you to get the loan that you need from your lender. Now, the lender also benefits from it because they're protected. If you're going to put 10% down, but the property's worth 10% less than what you paid for it, they actually have a zero equity position. So understand that your lender is also looking at that property and making sure that you're paying the right amount. I find that a great security when I buy a property with a loan. Obviously with cash, it's a completely different issue. Fourth question, how do they do it? So the appraiser, in simplicity, will look at the market, and the appraiser will look at that specific property compared to similar properties within that housing development. So when they do that, they're going to look at 3 active listings and 3 sold listings that have closed in the last 6 months. They're going to look at similar properties. They're not going to take a property 2,000 square foot bigger and adjust it. It's going to be similar sized properties, similar age properties that have sold in the last 6 months and are currently active. And they're going to determine what that property is worth. I find it a very reassuring process. What if it comes in low or high? Sometimes the appraiser will come in low. If it does, you're going to renegotiate that price with the seller, or you're just going to back out of the deal. If it comes in high, guess what? The seller cannot raise the price, and you're going to close with some equity. Hey, I hope this has helped you in how to use the appraisal and how important it is in your transaction. Please watch the rest of our videos. Make sure you click subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and make sure you select all. Thanks for watching.